So I've let the bike sit a few days. Yeah, I think it's been a couple days. I just went to test this tube thing again, and all this gas came out of it. And I'll see this. I put it back on real quick, and I don't know what that's all about. So on the choke right here, the lever, got gas seems to be coming out of that too. Right there. I guess I'm due for a carburetor rebuild or something. Got going into the airbox. And that's where that gas has got to be piling up in, over in here somewhere, underneath this thing. Okay, we'll fire it up. I had it running just a second ago. I noticed there's a gas leak. There it is. Still have a little smoke coming out of here too. See what that smells like. It needs to be run, but I was noticing some leak. Saw a little bit over in here. Just don't want to toast it. I saw some dripping off of this bolt right here. I looked up in here. I'll double check a little bit later, but she fires up. So I'm just wondering, I pulled this tube off. This was filled with gas, and a bunch of gas came out of here. I'm just letting it evaporate right now. I'm just wondering why that is. Doesn't seem right.